Well, hello everybody. It is the 12th of August and it's 9:23 a.m. Uh, Eastern Standard Time. And I'm looking at the NQ, the E-mini, and that is the NASDAQ E-mini. And what I look for in my trades are these things to happen, which this uh, this is the RSI, and that is the slow stochastic, and this is the MACD. I look for a 1, 2, 3 reversal, which it's kind of setting up like that, but these lines here, I like these to be up closer to the that red line, which is the 50% of each one. And then the MACD should be crossing over. And so the 1, 2, 3, the way I trade it is, let me pull over here. Okay, so here's the 1, 2, and 3 reversal, whereas if it keeps trying to go down below these lows over here and can't break that low right there, um, I buy it above this high if it breaks above the high. So I, I hate to second guess. The market isn't even open yet, but it's I've got to wait until these things come into play. Even though I like that one, the one setup is the 1, 2, 3, but I like to use these other things. Oh, here it looks like it's moving up. So I will come back after the market opens. I'll let it shake out a little bit. So like right now, it's already Um, well, I'm not sure if it broke that yet or not, but it's looking like it wants to. So I will come back after the market opens and start moving forward for the day. Okay, folks. Well, I'm back and looking for a 1, 2, 3 retracement, or not retracement, or a reversal. So here would be the 1, the 2, and the 3 somewhere down in here, hopefully. And it doesn't break the low, and then we buy above the high up here. Um, Here is what it's looking like. What I'm looking for over here on this chart is the slow stochastic to be up close to the 50, getting ready to cross. I like this one to already be crossing, and then the MACD crossing also. And if it doesn't show up like that, I probably won't do anything. But if everything falls in line, or maybe if one of them's missing, I may put in an order. I don't know yet. But it's best when all of them are working together. And it's just not showing it's doing that yet. So I will come back here in a little bit. Okay, so what I'm looking for now is this is getting ready to cross here at the 50. 50 is already crossed here. The MACD is crossed. I want at least one red candle pullback before I enter the market. Another entry point could be above the first candle, the 5-minute candle above that high at 0550. But I just like the idea of one red candle pullback and then shoot above that high of that. So if it doesn't come back into a full 1, 2, 3 retracement, so sometimes it gets strong and just goes forward. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'll come back if I get in. All right, folks. Man, this has been a long one. I should have kept. I was thinking about putting in a price. I mean, a buy above the high of the first candle, and that would have been a good buy. And this thing's already taken off. It's only up 8 points though. But I first had my first red candle, and the cumulative delta is not really up where it should be if it's going to take off. Um, Everything's still looking strong over here. I keep my 5 point stop in there, and I don't know. I'm just going to see if it's got enough oomph behind it. I'm risking $100. Maybe this is a lesson learned not to do this in the future, but that's a lot of green right there. So I may let's see. Yeah, let me bring that uh, down to around the 50 level. It probably wants to go up around 50. So if I take profit around 50, 49, 50, whatever, um, I'll come back. If I get filled, I'll come back and see what we got here. All right, guys, I just got filled, and I'm up a little bit here. I'm up 165. Okay, I just got my fill, so it kind of took me by surprise, really. Anyway, I was watching something else, and I had moved my stop or my take profit down to 49, and because I figured it was going to go to 50 at least, and maybe hit some resistance at 50, because that's a psychological number. So um, let me Yeah, let me pull up my trading score for the day. That way you'll see, here we go, um, what I actually made on that. Okay, 185 for the day and minus commission, 181 for the day. I'm okay with that. I'm out. I wish I could have gotten in earlier because I really like to get in the market or find a place to get in the market right around when this is crossing over. And as I said in one of my other videos, I like to have this one already crossed and then the MACD, of course, crossed over because I use a 5-point stop and that is really tight. So I kind of play it to the letter, as far as some kind of simple rules I put on myself. And that's why I said I like that at least one red candle coming back or pull back. Uh, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I always learn something. Try to at least. And hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please push the thumbs up button. And I'd like for you to subscribe. Every day I put out a new video. Hopefully every day. That's what I'm trying to do. And that way you can trade along with me or see what kind of trading style I do. I am not a professional trader, and anything I do is all for myself. I'm not giving trading advice. Most likely you're watching this later on, so it's past anyway. So, well, I hope you have a good day, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow.